Unraveling the Sweet Mystery. What is a gummy worm? Hello, lovely learners. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the delicious details of the English language. Today, we've got a sweet treat for you. We're exploring what exactly a gummy worm is. Whether you're a language learner or a candy connoisseur, stick around to unwrap the sugary secrets of this playful phrase. Let's start with the basics. A gummy worm is a type of candy that is chewy, jelly-like, and, you guessed it, shaped like a worm. These treats are often brightly colored and come in a variety of fruit flavors. They're made from a mixture of sugar, gelatin, flavorings, and food colorings, resulting in a gummy texture that's both fun to eat and a little bit wiggly. Moving beyond the candy aisle, the phrase, gummy worm, doesn't have a commonly recognized figurative meaning in English. It's usually only mentioned in contexts related to the actual candy. However, in creative language use, such as in stories or playful conversation, it might be used metaphorically to describe something that is soft, squiggly, or wriggly. It's always clear from the context that the speaker isn't referring to the literal candy. Gummy worms aren't just a treat. They've wiggled their way into various aspects of Western culture. They are often found at children's parties, used as toppings on ice cream or cupcakes, and even in certain cocktails or as part of Halloween celebrations. So, in a way, gummy worm can evoke a sense of fun, playfulness, and childhood nostalgia. Now, let's see how to use gummy worm in a sentence. For the movie night, I bought a big bag of gummy worms to share. She decorated the cupcakes with frosting and gummy worms to make them look like a mini garden. I prefer chocolate over gummy worms, but I wouldn't say no to a handful. And there you have it, folks. The gummy worm is more than just a snack. It's a little emblem of joy for people of all ages. We hope you enjoyed this sweet exploration into a phrase that's sure to bring a smile to your face. Keep on learning, and let those gummy worms wriggle their way into your memories, not just your belly. Until next time, happy learning!